Welcome to this video about the Dräger Fabius Plus XL anesthesia device. Here we will give you a short overview of the key components of the Fabius Plus XL. We will start with the front side of the anesthesia machine. On the ventilator control panel, you'll find keys for setting the ventilation mode and ventilation parameters, as well as the display screen for ventilation monitoring, for pressure, volume, and oxygen. On the right-hand side of the screen, you also see LED indicators. These indicate the status of mains power, as well as an alarm condition. The central element of the user interface is the rotary knob. It is the main control used to select and confirm all ventilation parameters and system settings. The operating philosophy is simple. Select a setting, turn the rotary knob to change the setting, and confirm it by pressing. The flow meter and pressure gauge assembly is located on the front panel of the machine below the screen. There are 3 control knobs for the adjustment of oxygen, air, and nitrous oxide. The knobs are labeled and color-coded. To increase the flow, turn the flow control knob counterclockwise. To decrease flow, turn the flow control knob clockwise. In this area, you also find the gauges for the central gas supply, as well as for the optional pin index O2 and N2O cylinders. In the center of the device, you find the mounting for the vaporizers for anesthetic agents. On the Fabius Plus XL, 2 vaporizers can be mounted at the same time. There is a vaporizer exclusion system available to make sure that only one vaporizer is opened at a time. A manually operated O2 flush valve is located on the front of the machine. When pressed, the valve delivers an unmetered flow of at least 35 liters per minute to the breathing system. This flush function is always available, as long as an oxygen source is connected, even if the machine is switched off. The Fabius Plus XL is equipped with the precise E-vent piston ventilator, which provides high tidal volume accuracy and requires no drive gas for operation. The ventilator hose connects the ventilator to the breathing system. The breathing system of the Fabius Plus XL is called COSY, short for Compact Breathing System. Let's have a closer look at the components. Here you can see the expiratory and inspiratory ports for the connection of the breathing circuit, and also the connector for the manual breathing bag. On the inspiratory port, you connect the inspiratory O2 sensor. On top of the COSY, you can see the expiratory and inspiratory valves. Here you can also find the APL valve, short for Adjustable Pressure Limitation Valve, as well as the connection ports for the PEEP, PMAX valve, the APL bypass valve, and the fresh gas decoupling valve. On the bottom side, you can see the connection for the CO2 absorber adapter, the flow sensor connection, the pressure measuring line, the anesthetic gas scavenging port, and the connection ports for the ventilator and fresh gas hoses. In the trolley of the Fabius Plus XL, you can find the writing tray, as well as the Integration Anesthesia Gas Analyzer module, which is called SCIO-4. The Fabius Plus XL is equipped with 2 or 3 drawers for storage, depending on the configuration. All wheels of the Fabius Plus XL feature individual brakes for easy and safe positioning. Let's turn to the rear side of the machine. Here you find the connections to the central gas supply and the cylinder gas supply in the lower part of the trolley. In the upper compartment, from the right to the left, are the mains power on-off switch, communication ports, the sensor connections for the breathing system, the integrated power outlets, and the power cable connection. The walk around the device is finished now.